Use for to show a length of time, and use since to show the starting point of time. Question number one. I have lived here blank 2015. Here, 2015 is the starting point of time. When we see a starting point, we always use since. I've lived here since 2015. Number two, she has studied English blank 3 years. 3 years is a length of time, not a point. A length of time is forward. She has studied English for 3 years. Number three, they have known each other blank last summer. Last summer shows the beginning point in time. A beginning point means since. So the correct answer is they have known each other since last summer. Number four, we have been friends blank 10 years. 10 years is a duration, a long stretch of time. That is why we use for. We have been friends for 10 years. Number five, he has worked in this company blank March. March is a calendar point, not a length. So we need since. The correct sentence is he has worked in this company since March. Number six, I've waited blank 2 hours. 2 hours is a period of time. For a period, use for. So the correct sentence is I've waited for 2 hours. The last question is she has played the piano blank she was a child. This shows a starting point in her life. A starting point means since. So the correct sentence is she has played the piano since she was a child. Again, for means a length of time. Since means a starting point. Now I want you to try 7 more sentences on your own and check the answers.